When I normally turn this screen on for the CCTV, I get full coverage on all the cameras. But now when I turn it on, I'm getting this NVR logo sign. So I know somewhere there is a connectivity issue. I completely switched off the NVR and switched it back on. Still the same issue appeared. The mobile app which is running off the servers is working fine. So the issue is here. All I did was unplugged and plugged back in the HDMI cables from the extender, which is plugged in the monitor, and switched off the screen from the socket. Turned it back on and it's working perfectly fine. So basically all it required was a reset from the HDMI extender and the monitor. Problem solved.